Hello everyone, welcome to DelfStack Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to get notifications from Google Forms so you never miss a new response. First, open your Google form and make sure that you are already logged in to your Google account. You can go to your already created templates, Google surveys you have created, or start with a blank form. So we'll select one of my existing forms just like this. This is my important information Google form. Go to the Responses tab and you can see there are no responses yet. Click on the three-dot options menu in the Responses section. Select Get Email Notifications for new responses, then click on it. From now on, you will receive an email notification every time someone submits your form. If you want more control, you can also connect your form to Google Sheets by clicking the green Sheets icon in the Responses tab. This is especially useful for surveys, application registrations, or quizzes where quick responses matter. That's how you enable notifications in Google Forms in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.